This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if the Google Play Store is not like installing applications. So what you can do on your Android phone is go to the top right and go to settings and scroll on down under here. And we want to simply just go to apps. So let's locate apps right here and go to the Google Play Store under here. So we can see Google Play Store here. Tap this. Now in the upper right, go to the three little dots and go to uninstall updates. Now usually this fixes the problems for me, so if I go into uninstall, and then I could try force stopping the application too, and then we can go to storage, and we can clear the cache, and we can clear the data from there too. Now go back to the Google Play Store, and open this up, and we might have to update the application as well. So we can try going through here now, downloading something, go to the top right. If this is loading and we got internet now, we can go back to settings, go to about, and go to update the store version. So you can see the store version is off a little bit for me. Okay, newer version will be downloaded and installed. So that's downloading now. Now if you're not connected to the internet or anything, make sure your mobile data is turned on here too. You got mobile data. Make sure this is turned on and you don't have airplane mode turned on by accident. So go ahead and just try downloading your application now and updating it. So if we go to the top right and go to where it says My Games and Apps right here, there could be a bunch of updates on here, and that is why it's not downloading. It's really slow because it's updating all the other apps first. So it says pending downloads. This is just really slow. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out.